to Camus World! Hi everyone, I received this handheld vacuum cleaner from the brand Minthouz. I want to say thank you to Emma for sending this item. So let's unbox and show you what it looks like. It comes with a dust bag, a charger, comes with 3 brushes, they also provide an extra filter, the manual, and of course our handheld vacuum cleaner. This is how it looks like when it's charging. The plug is color red. And when it turns green, that means it's fully charged. This cordless vacuum cleaner effectively clean all messes, and they have tools that clean sofas, cracks, and corners. It also has a strong suction. In addition, the filter can be disassembled and cleaned, making it sturdy and durable. These vacuum cleaners feature a variety of different nozzles to meet the cleaning needs of many different scenarios, making cleaning so much easier. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Let me know if ever you've tried this brand. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye.